Hi, I'm Lauren Folks Adams with Guarantee Maid Services, and today we're talking about holiday decorations and organizing them. So these are all of our holiday decorations in our shed that my husband has. And you'll see our little push mower. That's our backup mower because we have a long guy, of course. And these are all of our holiday decorations and our pool supplies as well. But we like to organize everything and keep it, it doesn't look like it right now, but we try to keep it nice. Get somebody. Dude, where are you going? You gotta turn around, buddy. Harrison, please move. So here we are on trip number 2, getting more stuff to bring out to the yard. And if you have a gator, or your kids have a gator, man, it sure is helpful. If you are a perfectionist like my family, you will see my husband with a tape measure, who is measuring out the entire length of one side so that he can perfectly put down the stakes. You see Harrison over there acting all silly. Daddy getting very frustrated. Just wait. The yelling will come. So he starts at the end and he measures. And he sees how long it's gonna be. And then he spaces them out. Very carefully. Very strategic. And this is an example of the finished product. Right there. And there's the other pumpkins that will be right there.
What do we do now?
Oh, there's Maddie taking a look, seeing what we need to do. And here's some of our Halloween stuff and a lot of our Christmas stuff. But we like to have it all organized so we know where it's all at. If you need any help, let us know. We'll be more than happy to help you organize. Have a great day. Call today to find out how we give you quality cleaning at reasonable rates. Like us on Facebook and get a quote at guaranteemaidservices.com. Let us give you your weekends back.